My dear friends, today I will show you phacoemulsification surgery in hypermature cataract. After making both sides side port and injecting 0.6% trypan blue dye, then wash the dye after 6 to 8 seconds. Make a new cystitome and then inject 2% HPMC. Spread some HPMC over the cornea. This now make a rhexis. See, as I tear the lens capsule, liquefied cortex came out. Even after that, I am using this cystitome for making this rhexis and completing it successfully. Now it become tortoise shape. See, then inject HPMC and make a main port by using this 2.8 steel keratome. Do the slightly hydrodissection, depress the nucleus and then rotate it. This step is not necessary for in case of hypermature cataract. Now remove some liquefied cortex by doing this maneuver. Again inject 2% HPMC. Then start the phacoemulsification. I am using sharp chopper in this case and using a large phaco tip size. Remove some superficial cortex like this and then I am making a trench of adequate depth. Now I am going to US2 mode, embedding the phaco tip and dividing this nucleus into two pieces. Rotate the nucleus and then embed the phaco tip, again make a chop. How beautifully this nucleus is being chopped. Try to make multiple chops and bring one piece of nucleus into the center and then emulsify it. Now when I will emulsify this last piece, I am in US3 mode where the vacuum is slightly less than the US2 mode. Emulsify nuclear pieces at this time very carefully, and while emulsifying this last piece, remove the chopper and emulsify every piece like this. Now inject HPMC. In this case, I have removed some cortex from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock and from the 12 o'clock position also. I planned to implant to place the IUL first and then remove the remaining cortex. See how I am doing this. This is Carlg's lens Citilucia. I am placing the IOL in such a way that the leading haptics is in the back first, and then I am dialing the trailing haptics by this lens dialer. Now lens is in the back. Now remove the HPMC and slightly semi-incisional cortex, which is at the right sided side port position. Don't leave any fiber of the cortex inside the AC. After removing all the HPMC, now inject 0.1 ml pilocarpine. By this bimanual irrigation aspiration cannula, I am removing every part of the HPMC. Now inject pilocarpine and then preservative-free moxifloxacin also. Now hydrate the wound. Check the wound after hydrating both side port, and then do the final lavage, and the surgery is concluded. Thank you very much for watching this video.